Hi, this is Accutek audio visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a 2005 Defender 90. It's an early one. So we've done a double DIN conversion. As you can see here, it normally has the stereo just here like a 3/4 DIN. Well, we've installed this double DIN conversion. We've got a USB port there, and turn the wheel, the microphones on the top there. We've used a splitter for this for digital radio as well, so it's using the original aerial as FM and DAB. I'll just switch this on, and we've even got the Land Rover logo coming up on the screen, which is a nice feature. We've got volume control up and down here, which is physically a physical button, which is really nice, because when you're driving one of these vehicles, as well as being bumpy, you can rest your fingers on the ledge here whilst adjusting the volume. Like I say, this has got Android Auto wirelessly and wired, as well as Apple CarPlay wired and wireless, and that's the why it does come with a USB and USB-C, so you can choose. There we are. It has got a camera input as well. This particular vehicle hasn't got a camera yet, but it may well do in future. And there's a camera button on the front here, which is quite a nice facility, so you don't always have to put it in reverse to see what's behind you. If you'd like to have this done in your early Defender, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.